Oh, he's looking for gold. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Sorry I don't feel so great. We had some serious gusty winds last night and today, and my allergies is acting up. So, and uh, and there's a few weeks of school left. So all I can say is enjoy school, enjoy going to college, because once you go into the real world, you will get a real job. So don't hurry up to be an adult just yet. Just enjoy being a child, a teen, and a young adult. So as you can see, it's very quiet today. Right now it's just clear. The winds have stopped for a while. And then if you can look on the other side, I know that you can hear birds. So the Sunday and winds really kicked in last night, right along with my allergies. So it is going to be a high wind advisory for us until Thursday. And I'd like to say this, all you truck drivers that's coming to California and you're hitting the highways, especially the I-5 going towards Gorman, you guys please be careful. Them winds is no joke, especially those crosswinds. If you feel like your rig is going to tip over, just slow down. Don't rush against the wind, because there are times that the rigs get knocked over because of the wind, and we want everyone on the road to drive safely. I think there's a crow up here. I'm just sitting under a tree. So, well, my allergies is nipping me in the tail. So everyone, have a great day. Have a good morning. And remember, let's see what he says. He's looking for a treasure chest at a park.
Money. I need money for V-Bucks.
Majority of the time, parks do have loose change. So, let's see. Stay kind, stay positive, be happy, have a cup of coffee or soda or whatever you prefer. Share a smile, be kind to others. Help out those that need help. Those that don't need it, just pray for them and move on. I think he found something. Let's see what he found. Hold on, I gotta show you this. This doesn't get any better than this. I don't want to get any close to scare the bird away. Birds that get this close is a blue jay. Blue jays are beautiful birds. They're my favorite birds, actually. Considering getting a blue jay backpack for Amazon. That's gonna be for next year. Let's see how long the bird's gonna sit there. He'll fly away soon. Now he's over here digging for gold. Oh,
I want to come here.
he found something. Let's see what he found.
Look how deep I am.
Anybody see any money? No. Okay. Yep. So he dug a hole.
Mommy, can you get me a metal detector? There's a bunch of money here.
Now I gotta get him a metal detector. Okay. So I'll sit down for a few minutes and have tissue in my pocket because when I go to the other side of town, I know it's gonna be windy. So have a great day. Sorry, my allergies are kicking in. Stay kind, stay positive, and be happy. Thank you so much for the share and everything else. Thank you so much for your comments and your positive feedback. Thank you for inviting me into your beautiful homes each and every single day. Now I'm waiting for him to get out of summer vacation. So get up and see what we can do. So thank you so much.
Money!
Finally he found something. Bye.